If sine theta is equals to k, this is the second question. If sine theta is equals to k, find tan theta, where theta is between 90 degrees and 0 degrees. So where theta is between a value of 0 degrees and 90 degrees, okay? So they're telling you that theta is an acute angle. Let's say, okay, so for theta, so theta is just simply an unknown angle, okay? So for this unknown angle that is between 0 and 90 degrees, that means it's acute angle. Okay? You can use the right angle triangle for acute angles to express the trigonometric ratio. Remember your trigonometric ratios? So toi. Now from the question, okay, so you have your right angle triangle, okay, because it's an acute angle. An angle between 0 and 90 degrees is acute angle. The question says sine theta is k. So we are given a value as k. Now remember, sine theta is simply the opposite side. That's the side which is opposite to the angle. So if this is angle we are using, this is the opposite. This is the opposite side to this angle. If you are using this angle here, then this side will be the opposite to this angle here. But since it's this angle, this is the opposite side. So sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Remember, opposite over hypotenuse from toi. So opposite k over hypotenuse 1. So some of you might say, okay, some of you might say, how did I get 1? Of course, if sine theta is equals to k, remember k on its own can be written as k over 1. If sine theta was maybe m is the same thing as m over 1. Okay, so it's the same thing. So our opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is m, or sorry, k for our question, and 1. Just put 1 as your hypotenuse. So if you've gotten your hypotenuse, you've gotten your opposite, you can easily find your adjacent using your Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse squared minus opposite squared, 1 squared minus k squared. To get the adjacent, the adjacent side. Now why are we looking for the adjacent side? Because we are asked to find tan theta. Tan theta, that ratio is toi. That means tan of the angle we are given is equals to opposite over adjacent. So you need to find the adjacent. We have the opposite as k. You need to find the adjacent. To find the adjacent of your right angle triangle, use Pythagoras. Pythagoras will give you this root of 1 minus k squared. So all of these are adjacent. So slot it into your shape, and then tan theta is opposite over adjacent. K opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. K over this.